This bag here is a lifesaver. These are the functional underwear used for biking. I'm not sure if the waterproofing still works because this whole thing had peeled off. And she's doing her job, so she's shouting. I think that is being picked up in the audio, but yeah. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. We're here at home, 11 in the morning. We hardly have any time and I haven't done any kind of packing. All the gadgets are here. Everything is out for charge. They're all getting charged. And there is this helmet. And yeah, I used the helmet yesterday in the previous video. If you watched, I think the chin mount was a little lower because I couldn't, adjust with the bracket that I use currently. I'll show you that. You see this? This is all it goes to the max. So if I push this higher, the lid won't close. So I have this issue. We'll need to use some extra attachment here. We'll get that done. And yeah, first things first, we need to remove my saddlebags. Everything is in the bottom layer of this cot. There's one compartment inside this under this mattress basically. So we need to move all this, get all the bags out first, and then decide what goes where. I think we found all our stuff we need for the ride, but let's unwrap everything and make sure everything is here. Now, first to go with is this cover. This is how the things came when I purchased, so that's why I'm just using the same packing as it is. And the Enduristan bag. These two are the main things. This bag here is a lifesaver. Completely waterproof once it's rolled. Our fuel can is here. We'll be carrying this. The stickers are all bubbled up. I don't know why. So these are the spare tubes that I carry with me. And these bags contain the rain covers, shoe covers. These contain some straps, my raincoat, rain pant, all that. It's going to be a real mess here now. Oh yeah. The first way to do this floor. Keep this aside. This is some spare tools. We have our inflator kit, tire inflator kit, saddle covers, and yes, adjustable spanner. So we need to pack those along with these and some electrical tape. This is my Rynox rain pant and raincoat. These will go towards the tank bag. We'll keep them aside. I won't be needing these straps since I use the magnetic tank bag and my Royal Enfield's tank is metal. I don't use these straps, never use them. We leave them aside. This is a helmet lock. This is a cycle lock from Decathlon. I use this to lock the helmets on the motorcycle. These are the covers that I previously used and it's gone for a toss. These are from Bhaja. They did a great job, but I know some of them snapped and just kept peeling off. I will not be using these. Instead, we'll use the ones from Decathlon this time. I got this a long time ago, but haven't made use of them. Used them once for a backpack, I guess. I won't be using this. That's gonna go. We need to use these covers to pack. I use the plastic covers to sort out things individually, so I know where what is there. Our Enduristan bag is all good. I use this bag basically to keep my laptop and some electronics with my clothes, so they stay dry. So this is the Ogio Bhaja 2-liter hydration backpack. It's a very handy backpack when I go out on small visits and treks and all that stuff. And the best part is you can carry a helmet in this. This is the Cramster saddlebags. I think it's called the Stallion. It's been a while since I've been using these. I haven't had much problems with it. I think I just damaged this patch here. Just got caught in the foot peg of my bike. Got damaged once. Otherwise, nothing major. It's always done a great job. Throttle cable. This is the clutch cable. That's a new. We have our chain spray from 3M. This is not a sponsored video, so keep in mind. This is a spark plug kit, and this comes with a set of fuse for my bike, the air pin valve, I don't know what you call that. So there are 4 valves in it, the headlight bulb, and this tube is to glue that patch for the puncture, just in case. These are the patches. The round patches are here. Like this. And some tire iron. We'll carry this as well this type, because you don't know, things come in handy. There is some of the spares. There are more to come. I mean, they're all down in the, I don't know what you call that room, the gym room or my garage. Basically, it's my storeroom. Yeah, that's better. It's my storeroom. So we need to go there and get some more stuff that has to go into this bag. Let's go. Keys. No one's at home. That's on. Our bikes here all washed and pampered a little. It's all the minor adjustments that I had to do are all done. Let's come down here. And yes, we lit. Yes, what do we take from here? Got some very important stuff to carry. This is my chain cleaning tool. Okay. Yeah. We'll be carrying this in case. This is the tire repair solution from Motul. I borrowed this from Yatish 2 years ago. I'll be taking this as well. I have the toolkit, but it's comfortable to work with better tools. Just in case. Let's go. Whoa. Pockets. Get you guys here. Turn the lights off. And for the next thing, we need to bring out our most important stuff, the riding gear. And I use the raincoat from Cramster. There they are, all washed, clean and neat, doesn't smell. So these are the thermals which we won't require here in South India, but when we ride up north, these are lifesavers. So this is thermal for the riding pant, this is for the riding jacket, and ready to use. There you go. I don't know if I've shown this in the video to you guys, but these are the functional underwear used for biking. So this keeps me cool during hot summer rides. This is the skin fit t-shirt from Held Biker Fashion. This is a functional underwear. So we use this while we use this under the riding jacket and for the riding pant as well. There it is. So I use this and then I wear my riding gear. I'll be carrying about 5-6 t-shirts and about 2 jeans pants, 2 track pants, yeah, some undergarments and all that. So all the basic stuff. Won't be carrying much. We'll try to keep some space in all the bags. We won't fill them up completely. I have to show you this. This is a riding boots. We got them serviced and cleaned, and if you remember in the last ride I damaged the boots, so I'll show you guys. Here they are, looking almost as good as new. Did a nice job cleaning the riding boots. I'm not sure if the waterproofing still works because this whole thing had peeled off. They've glued it up. Let's see. This one's also looking great now. So we'll be using this. This is from Royal Enfield. They say it's waterproof riding boots, but it worked pretty well only in the first ride when I went to Ooty. I think after that the water started getting in. I don't know how, but yeah, that's it. Now we need to get all of this stuff. I mean, apart from the riding gear, we need to get all of the stuff and clothes and the laptop and the gear all into these saddle bags, the tail bag and the tank bag. I think I'll get the job done and get back to you guys. And it's 4 in the evening now. I finished my packing in about 2 hours. The bags are quite light. I still have to sort out the tank bag and the angle of the camera and the helmet and the chin mount, because yesterday's video didn't go that great. So what we'll be doing is, I went and got these. Instead of this hand screw, I've used this bolts here, so it'll look a little tidy. I've used this as the extra extender, so I get some adjustment with that. And yeah, should be set in about an hour. I just need to go get some stickering done for the fuel can, some reflecting stickers. We'll do that. I have all my toiletries and medicine here. That's there. What we'll do now is we'll mount the camera onto the helmet. We'll go out, get the stickers done, and come back and hope so that this new setup works. I don't want to keep doing some experiments tomorrow on the roads. That's the thing. It's 10:20 in the night. We're done with our packing. You see that? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Everything is done. I'm just picking out all the tiny stuff that we normally forget. I'm just trying to recollect and make sure I don't forget anything, since I've been doing everything in the last minute. We need to go get some sleep before we start riding, so I think we should call it a day. I think we'll end the video on that note, and we'll see you in the next one.